All is well where there is angel. Rise high, like caterpillar to butterfly. Hello friends, I am Anvesha Datta. I want to tell you that there are many people who want to join with us in this journey, but they are not taking any steps. I welcome all of you to this journey. Please concentrate on yourself. Yourself refers to your soul, not your physical body. Thank you all for joining me. You have already seen today's topic from the thumbnail. What is stopping you from moving forward? Yes, you read it right. Obstacles are everywhere. Even if you listen my videos, but you are not following the steps properly, eventually the blockages of your journey will not be cleared. It can only clear if you allow yourself to step forward and join the journey. You are not alone. We all are with you. What is stopping you from moving forward? Tell me, is it some kind of fear? Or is it your laziness? Or is it your casualty? It's not any heavy duty, so a lazy person can easily do it if they want. About fears, I can say that there is nothing to fear about. We all are human beings whom God has created, so we have to reach God. About casualty, there is nothing to say. If you are not serious about this journey, then nothing can make you serious. It is only you who have to decide what you want, which path you will choose, which way you want to live your life. Don't think too much. We get 1,000 thoughts in our mind in a minute. So, if you start thinking, then it is a never ending process. Just decide whether you want to come forward or not. I can show you the way. I can try to motivate you. I can try to make you spiritually awaken. But for that, you have to wake up and cooperate with me. Understand? Without your cooperation, I cannot do anything to take you forward in this journey. It's you and only you who can make yourself better in all aspects, not only in spirituality, but in all other fields as well. If you become spiritually awakened, you will see your life will start towards a destination. Your life will change for good. Your all other problems will be solved or it will become minor. Don't think too much about your physical appearance. These all are just an illusion. You are not your body. You are the soul. Definitely, you can go to gym or do yoga if you want to do so. Stay fit makes our mind fit. Body and mind are interconnected. So, when your body is ill, you will not enjoy the stuffs you like. This way, it is interconnected. But don't force yourself doing gym or yoga if you don't like it. It will not do any good. After few days, you will stop it as you will not enjoy it. So, enjoy whatever you do. Enjoy for yourself. Do it for yourself, not because others want you to do so. The same way, understand what spirituality is. Lots of videos are there in my channel. Watch it if you want to know more about it. Then decide what to do. This is your journey, so you have full right to decide, choose it or not. But remember one thing. This is your destination. Your soul will not free until you reach your destination. The destination is God. This is ultimate. If you do not choose it now, then you will have to choose it later. If you do not choose it in this birth, then you will have to choose it in your next birth. There is no other option. Whatever you do in your life, always remember God is the ultimate destination. Nobody can reach God by forcing him or her in this journey. So, you have the full right to decide what is good for you. But this is not an option. This is the ultimate. Choice is yours. Life is yours. Soul is yours. As well as God is also yours. I am here to guide you all. This is all for today. See you all to my next video. Till then, take care. Stay healthy. Be happy. God loves you all. Archangel Michael loves you all.